In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new page to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, click Pages from the top menu. This is where you can manage all the pages on your website. Click the plus icon to add a new page. You will see several page types, including standard page, blog page, category page, product page, and external page. Select the page type that best suits your needs. Enter a name for your new page. You can also customize options such as the header type, page visibility, and SEO settings if needed. After you've finished configuring the page, click Done. Your new page will be added to your website and will appear in your site's navigation unless you've chosen to hide it. You can now add text, images, videos, and other elements to the page using the Build tab. When you're finished making changes, click Publish to make the new page live on your website. That's how to add a new page to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.